Hello guys, welcome to my mini vlog. Update for now. Ay, salamat guys, manadyo ko limpyo guys. Ikapoy jud ko rong adlaw guys. Ay, kapoy kayo guys. Balik-balik na lang akong trabaho everyday guys. Ano limpyo balay, mangutaw, manglaba. Same as usual as everyday. Ay, manakog limpyo guys. O, diba guys? Ang mugaway ang balay basta limpyo. Ganahan kay ko hapsay kay kung balay guys kanang walay sakit sa mata guys, di ko ganahan sakit sa mata. Ug di ay guys, bago di ko nag-ilis og cover guys. Kay murag katol naman ang cover guys, kay one week ra may pinakatagal na ko anong cover guys. Ilis na sad ko guys. Same ra gyapon ang punda guys, black and white and gray. That's my motive color as everyday. Okay guys, bye for now. See you in my next vlog. Babush, babush. Okay, okay na to.